Hello everybody, and welcome to the next video in the eOPSEC 101 course, OPSEC for Absolute Beginners. In the last video, I showed you how to create an IVPN account, and I'm keeping that different from Proton VPN, as where in all of those videos, I showed you both how to create the account and use it on each device. But in IVPN, I did a separate account creation video, and then I'm going to show you how to install and use it on these next 4 videos. If you're confused as to why I did that, the explanation is in the comment of that last video. However, you do have to watch that video first because I won't go over how to create an account on these next 4 videos. So to install IVPN on Windows, we're going to open our browser of choice. In this case, I'm using LibreWolf, but you can use any browser that you so desire. And we're going to go to IVPN.net. Now, I hope you took down your IVPN ID because that's what you're going to need to get into the account. So we're going to go to login towards the top right, and we're going to go to login with account ID. So in this case, my temporary account ID is I-3DNC-24GB-5WLD. I'm going to hit enter to log in, and you can see that it is active because I have paid for the service. Shows you paid until date and all that good stuff. But now we're going to come down to where it says Windows. Click on that, and you'll see IVPN for Windows supports Windows 10 and 11. So we're going to click the blue download button, and it will show enter name of file to save data. So we'll click save. I already installed it. You won't see this, but if you do for any reason, just click yes. And now we'll be able to go to our browser download icon and click on it. And things might freeze for a second, but it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Of course, you'll click yes. Welcome to the IVPN client setup wizard. We'll click next. Go ahead and click I agree. Click install. And it's going to extract and install everything that it needs to use IVPN on your device. It took a little bit of time because it has quite a bit of installation to do, since it includes a lot of stuff to be able to run it natively on your operating system itself. But if you give it around, I'll say 30 seconds for an average computer, then you should be good to go. Once it says completed, go ahead and click next. And we're going to leave IVPN client now enabled, and we're not going to create any of these. If you want a desktop shortcut, go ahead and enable it. Otherwise, we're just going to click finish. IVPN CLI binary is outside of the scope of this course. So we'll go ahead and click finish, and we'll get a new pop-up, and it will ask us to enter our account ID again. I-3DNC-24GB-5WLD. And we're going to click login. And as you can see, your status is disconnected, connect to fastest server, and it says my current location is Seattle, United States. That is because I'm using Proton VPN. You're not getting my address and city that early and that easy. But as you can see, we have the option to connect to fastest server, or if we so desire, we can click on that, and we can choose any of these server locations, and there's quite a few. Let's go ahead and go for, I don't know, where was it? Let's go for Holon, Tel Aviv, and Israel. Why not? So we'll click that. We're going to come down to connection details. We're going to click firewall, ensure that all traffic is routed through the VPN. And then we're going to go to anti-tracker, block trackers whilst connected to VPN. And we'll go ahead and enable that as well. Now, there are other things that have to do with this. In this case, we're just going to leave those alone. And now we'll go ahead and go to where it says your status is disconnected. Click the red bar with the white circle. And as you can see, we will soon, any second now, we do the Mr. Beast. Why the heck is it taking so long? Okay, we'll try a different, we'll just do fastest server. Why not? Turn on the firewall, and why is it taking so long? It didn't do this before. Okay, let me try disconnecting from Proton VPN. Maybe that would have something to do with it. So I'll go ahead and click exit on that. And there we go. Okay, so I couldn't do it while it's connected to Proton VPN. My apologies. But as you can see, we are now connected, and it says we're in San Jose, California. So yeah, that is exactly how you use IVPN for Windows. I hope you guys did learn something new from this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing. And whether you're new or not, please leave a like and a comment on this video. It helps get the video to more people, and it helps encourage me to make more videos in the future. Either way, my name is James Martin. You guys have been amazing, and I will see you in IVPN for Linux.